Hey everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. I'm back with an interesting concept in GitHub Actions. Ever pushed a commit, watched your GitHub Actions run perfectly, and then spent 5 minutes scrolling through logs just to see if your tests passed or deployment succeeded? What if you could summarize all of that into a clean, readable section with emojis, tables, and even markups? In this video, I'll show you how to use the hidden gem of GitHub Actions, the job summary feature, to make your workflows look like pro and work smarter. Let's dive in. If you are a regular follower of my GitHub Actions playlist, you would recollect that we developed a workflow that would build an Angular application. We used reusable workflow that was created in a separate repository, and we passed a few inputs to set up the built environment. At this point in time, I am assuming that you are aware of reusable workflows and how to use it in the main workflow. If not, please feel free to visit my playlist on GitHub Actions. I made a small change to this workflow. If you scroll to the bottom of this workflow, you will notice that there is another step called log package version, where I am just logging the package version to the console. I didn't add much logic here. For demo purpose, I am just printing the package version. Uh, 1.0.0 dot the build number, which is the GitHub run number. I have already run this workflow. Let me go back to the workflows and open this. Open build Angular job. So every time I want to see the package version, I have to look for the step that generates the package version, open it, and then wait for it to load and then see the package version. To save this time, I am going to make a small change to this workflow. So let me go back to this reusable workflow, click on edit, and then update this step. What I'll do is I'll just add GitHub underscore step underscore summary. Let's see what this does. Let me commit the changes and I'll run this workflow again. Click on run workflow and wait for the workflow to complete the build Angular job. I'll just stay on the summary page. I'm not going inside this work job to see the package version because let's see what that GitHub step summary does. As soon as the job completed, you can see the package version printed right in the summary page. I don't have to open this job, go through the steps and spot the package version. Not just simple text, you can print any useful information here. Like once the package is deployed to each and every environment, you can print the links to those environments so that you can just click on it and go to that website. If you want to print the results of your unit tests and look at the test results report, you can do so. I have already added the code to this workflow. So I have these steps, unit tests, to print the test results. For now, I just hard code it. And once it prints the test results, you can view the full report in this link just by clicking on it. Then I added another step, add test table to summary, just to show how you can print information in the tabular format. And once the deployment is completed, we want to see that if it's successfully deployed to dev or not. If yes, then we'll get the link. We'll just click on it. It will take us to the website. Same in other environments as well. I have already committed these changes. Let's go back to this workflow and run it again to see how the results would look like. Click on Run Workflow, wait for the workflow to complete. You can see real-time logs here. We see the test results printed. I can click on this View Full Report, which is a dummy site for now. And then we see tabular format, we have emojis, and we have a simple text here. Then this is the summary for the build and deploy job. Once the dev job is completed, this is the summary for this job, which is dev. So once it is deployed to dev, we see a log that says it is deployed to dev, and I can just click on this site or the link to go to that website. And the same thing happens with the QA and prod as well. So that's how you use Job Summary to create clean, readable output in your GitHub Actions workflows. Let me know in the comment section how you're using it or what other GitHub Actions tricks you'd like to see. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Interview Pro. See you next time.